send bulk message on Facebook Messenger? Hello everybody. In this video we are going to find out, so let's start. For that, you may open up your Messenger application first. And then once you open up Messenger, you will be finding this interface. So if you're trying to send a bulk message, let's head over to the search bar first. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, you may search for the person that you would like to send bulk messages to. So if you're trying to select all of the people from the search bar, unfortunately we cannot do it. You need to go ahead and individually send message to each person. So all you gotta do is simply head over to each person individually, as Messenger does not have a built-in feature. So what you can do instead is you can create a group for people. So in order to do so, you can tap on this pen icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, you may go ahead and type in the name of the people that you would like to add. For example, HueyTex. Go ahead and create a group by tapping on create at the top. And once that is done, you may go ahead and send a message to them. And that is it. So this is only the way possible for now directly. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.